Okay, let us continue our lecture. In previous lecture, we have seen basics of list. Now, in this lecture, we are going to see what are the different methods list supports. These are list methods. No need to write the code. If you use this method to get the output. Suppose you want to add an element in the list. Add element in the list. What you have to do? Append. That's it. List.append. Just I show it by running one example. Okay, if I write here list1.append. Okay. Can you see this? What happened? List1.append AGGS. Now when I print list1, I am getting AGGS here. And if I print here AGGS before appending, okay, if I print before appending, what is the output? See, you can see the difference. Clear? What are the methods? Methods are the existing interface. If used, then your programming becomes very easy. Clear? Again, simple examples now. Let us see some more examples. What are different methods of list? Clear, removes all the elements from the list. Copy, return a copy of the list. Means B equal to list1.copy. That's it. New list get created. Okay. Count, return the number of elements with a specified value. Try to understand. I want to find how many students are there of branch MDM IT. If there are 10 MDM in our class, I can find branch MDM IT. Clear? Next, extend, add the elements of a list to the end of the current list or any table. Okay. Index, return the index of the first element with a specified value. Element of first element म्हणजे काय? That name may be there. म्हणजे काय एखादा element search करायचा आहे. That element appear multiple time. So index of first element with a specified value. Clear है? समझ नहीं समझ ले? Next, insert, add an element at the specified location. Append, add at the end. Insert, add at a specified location. मध्ये म्हणजे मधल्या साईजला. Clear है? Pop, removes the element from the specified position. It remove the element from the म्हणजे काय delete the element. Next, remove the atom with a specified value. Okay? Reverse the list, sort the list. Clear है? These are the example of list. Let us see some examples now. We'll see some examples now here. Already I have taken some examples here. Okay, you can see this example. Great. Can you see this example? Okay. Still visible hai? Okay, great. What is this? Create a list, print a list. This is the output. Apple, banana, cherry, print fruits, to get the output. Clear? I am not running the code now. I use ChatGPT prompt to get this code. Okay, accessing the element in the list. Okay, what happened here? If you access means what? Fruit 0, apple, output is apple. Can you see this output is apple. Next, modify the element in the list. I modify fruit 1 is banana. I change banana to blueberry. Change banana to blueberry. Print fruits. What I get? Apple, blueberry, cherry. Clear? These can be changed. समझ लेना? Great. Next चला. Adding element to a list. Append. Fruit equal to apple, banana, cherry. Fruit dot append date. Print fruit. Now output is apple, banana, cherry, date. सोपं आहे. ग्रेट. चला पुढे जाऊ आपण. रिमूव्हिंग एलिमेंट फ्रॉम लिस्ट. ॲपल, बनाना, शेरी. फ्रूट दट रिमूव्ह बनाना. आता बनाना जिथे जिथे आहे ना इथे रिमूव्ह बनाना. नाउ सी द लिस्ट. फ्रूट, प्रिंट फ्रूट्स. आउटपुट इज ॲपल अँड शेरी, नॉट बनाना. बनाना टुडे बिकॉज बनाना इज रिमूव्ड. बनाना काढलेला आहे. समजलं? चला नेक्स्ट चला. फाइंडिंग द लेंथ ऑफ अ लिस्ट. Okay, length of a list. This is the list. Fruit, apple, banana, cherry. Length of list. Print length. Output is 3. This is the output is 3. When you run the code, is the output. Okay, I am not running the code. Looping through a list means I want to print every element in the list. Okay, so I copy the code. Apple, banana, cherry. For fruit in fruits, print fruit. Sorry. So when I run the code, let us run the code. Control A, Control V, Alt F, save as. Okay, L3. 5. What happened here? Apple, banana, cherry, print fruit in fruits, print fruit. What happened here? काय झालं सांगा मला. Initially, okay, what I do? I make it A. I make it A. A in fruits. Print A. Control yes, F5. Don't get confused. What happened? Initially A is apple. Initially A is apple. Then for next iteration, A becomes banana. Next iteration, A becomes cherry. This is the output. Can you see this output? This is the iteration through loop. Clear है? चलो next जाएंगे अभी हम. Sorting a list. Fruit dot sort. That's it. This is a sort. Fruit. Fruit dot sort. Print fruit. Apple, banana, cherry. This is the output. Okay. What I do? I just copy the code. ये थोड़ा समझना नहीं. I just run the code. थोड़ा समझ में. Control A, Control V, save as. List 4. Run the. I just print this code. See the output. You will see the difference. What happened? Initially list is unsorted. Cherry, banana, apple is the output. This time, cherry, banana, apple. But when I sort it, fruit dot sort, when I sort it, print fruits. Now here, can you see A, apple, A, B, banana, C, cherry. List gets sorted alphabetically. Can you see this? A, then B, then C. Clear है? Alphabetical sort झालं? Great. चलो पुढे जाऊ आपण आता. Reversing the list. Fruit dot reverse. That's it. काय होणार आहे? Cherry, banana, apple. Can you see the output? Cherry, banana, apple. That's it. Clear आहे? उलटा प्रिंट करायचं. Slicing the list. Slicing the list म्हणजे काय? We are taking subset, some part of the list. This is the index 0. Just I copy the code. I run the code. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Output is 2. How many elements are there? First index 1, second index 3. 3 minus 1, 2. There are 2 elements. Can you see 2 elements? Banana, cherry. It will start from worst. This is fruit 0. This is fruit 1. This is fruit 2. 3 minus 1, 2. It will print 2 elements. First element is banana. Second element is cherry. Yes or no? So what I do? I run the code. Just a minute. नव्हतं का? कुठं होतं? What happened? Apple, banana, cherry. Date. Okay? Apple, banana, cherry date आहे 1, 2, 3. This is the fruit 0. This is fruit 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. I will output only 2 elements. म्हणजे काय? इथून 1 banana, 2 cherry. That's it. It will exclude third. Date येणार नाही इथं. लक्षात घ्या. It will exclude date. Clear आहे? Exclude the last index when you run the code. Chalo next. Next is tuple. This is the list. Now this is the tuple. Difference between list and tuple is bracket. This bracket, opening bracket. But it is a round bracket. Previous bracket is square bracket. Okay. Same example, I just copy the code and I will show you how it is different. Okay, here control A, control V, save as, tuple 1, run the code, tuple 6. क्लिअर आहे? सी द डिफरन्स काय आहे बाबा, इथं ब्रॅकेट आहे, इथं ब्रॅकेट कसं आहे, दॅट्स इट, काहीच फरक नाही आहे. पण टपल डू नॉट अलाउ द मॉडिफिकेशन. म्हणजे काय, इफ आय मेक फ्रूट्स ओके 0 किंवा 0 इक्वल टू मँगो केलं, काय होईल सांगा मला. टपल डू नॉट अलाउ द मॉड, नाव आय विल गेट द एरर. काय लिहिलं, टपल ऑब्जेक्ट डज नॉट सपोर्ट ॲटम असाइनमेंट. म्हणजे व्हॅल्यू कॅन नॉट बी चेंज. कॅन यू सी द डिफरन्स? बोथ आर सेम, काही फरक नाही. इथं काय आहे, दिस इज अ फ्रूट 0, दिस इज फ्रूट 1, फ्रूट 2. प्रॉब्लेम काय, टपल व्हॅल्यू कॅन नॉट बी चेंज. सर नो, समजलं का नाही समजलं? ग्रेट. चला पुढे चला. ॲक्सेसिंग द एलिमेंट इन द टपल सेम. टपल फ्रूट 0, फ्रूट 1, फ्रूट 2, काहीच फरक नाही. सेम कोड. आउटपुट इज ॲपल. दिस इज द आउटपुट ॲपल. In every program there is output. I have given the prompt like this. Next, unpacking the tuple. Unpacking the tuple. हे डेंजर कोड दिसलेला आहे. आउटपुट ॲपल. ओके ग्रेट. काय केलं पहा, इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग कोड. काय केलं, फ्रूट्स ॲपल, बनाना, शेरी, and here I have taken multiple variables. Fruit 1, fruit 2, fruit 3 equal to fruits. What happened? For fruit 1, this is fruit 0. For fruit 2, this is fruit 1. For fruit 3, this is fruit 2. That's it. Simple आहे. समजलं नाही समजलं? You can see the output. Apple, banana, cherry. That's it. हे मलाही माहीत नव्हतं सिंटॅक्स, आज माहीत झाला. Python is very vast. क्लिअर आहे? चलो पुढे जाऊ आता. लूपिंग थ्रू टपल, सेम कन्सेप्ट आहे, काहीही फरक नाही आहे. ओके, कंट्रोल ए, कंट्रोल व्ही, अल्ट एफ, सेव्ह ॲज, टपल 11, रन द कोड. दॅट्स इट. ॲपल, बनाना, शेरी सेम आहे, काहीच फरक नाही. फॉर ए इन, फॉर व्हेरिएबल इन डेटा टाइप्स, प्रिंट व्हेरिएबल. आय जस्ट मेक इट ए प्रिंट ए. दॅट्स इट. Can I print here A2? My question is, can I print A2 here? Print A2. काय होईल आउटपुट सांगा, काय होईल? काय झालं माहिती आहे का? What happened? Your last element is cherry, apple, banana, cherry. 0, 1, 2. Print A2. 0, 1, this is A, this is last element A, cherry, this is A0, this is A1, this is A2. It is printing E character. Just check this. समजलं. Last element was cherry. Cherry is A0, CI, A1, CHI, A2, EI. This is the basics. Very, very important. Basics are very important. चला पुढे जाऊ आपण. I will take 5 more minutes now. Finding the length of tuple. What is the function? Length, len is the length. Print length. Output is 3. Number of elements are 3. Okay. What will happen? आता सांगा काय होईल मला. I just modify the code. Listen very carefully now. I'm just modifying the code. Control A, Control E, Alt F, save as, E14. Okay. Now I run the code. What happened? What I get? 3. What I will get if I write fruit 0. काय होईल सांगा मला. फ्रूट 1 लिहितो. आता काय होईल सांगा. क्लिअर आहे. फ्रूट 1 काय आहे, बनाना. किती लेंथ आहे त्याची, 6. आय गॉट 6. क्लिअर आहे. व्हेरी सिंपल फंडामेंटल्स आर दियर. क्लिअर युअर फंडामेंटल्स. फंडामेंटल्स आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. टपल विथ 1 एलिमेंट, ओनली 1 एलिमेंट इन द टपल, ॲपल. आउटपुट पहा, कॉमा इथं, सी दियर इज कॉमा. This is difference. Can you see the comma? Do not neglect the comma in output. This is the program. Fruit equal to apple, print fruit, comma. Tuple concatenation म्हणजे काय? I am just concatenating 2 tuples. Fruit 1, apple, banana, fruit 2, cherry, bait. All fruit equal to fruit 1 plus fruit 2. Plus is the concatenation operator in Python. So let us run the code, verify the output, Control A, Control V, Alt F, save as T21. Run the code. Clear? What happened? This is the concatenation operator. What will happen? Again I write fruit 2. काय होईल सांगा? काय केलं मी? I have concatenated 2 times fruits. What happened? Cherry, date, that's it. Apple, banana, cherry, date first time. One more time cherry, date. काय केलं मी? 2दा केलं ना रे. Fruit plus fruits. Okay, I change to fruit 1. What will happen now? Apple, banana, cherry, date, apple, banana. Clear? Clear your fundamentals. Next. Repeating the tuple. म्हणजे काय? I get the same output again. I get the same output one more time. Control A, Control V, Alt F, save as tuple 31. Run the code. What happens? See, apple 3 times because I have read fruit into 3. Same for array. Same for list. Clear? Chalo, next. Checking if an element exists in a tuple. Element tuple मध्ये आहे का? Very nice code. नीट लक्ष द्या. काय म्हणते पहा? I just run the code. Control A, Control V, Alt F, save as tuple 31, 33. Run the code. True. म्हणजे काय? See, what is the apple, banana, cherry is the elements in tuple. What I check? Is banana in tuple? This is a variable name. Don't get confused. Equal to banana in fruits आहे का? Banana in fruit. What is the fruit? Fruit is the tuple name. Fruit is the tuple name. पुढे काय म्हणते? Banana in fruits आहे का? It will check for every element one by one. And if banana found, I get the true. Otherwise, I get the false. Suppose I write banana. I skip A. What happened? False. What happened here? I miss A. Suppose I make banana. I make it capital. What happened? Check. False. Clear? Yes or no? So this is the function. This is the power of Python. चलो last आता शेवटचे 2 मिनिटं आलेले आहेत. Converting a list to a tuple. Wow, this is a great syntax. You have to convert a list to a tuple. Just you have to write tuple. That's it. Tuple is the keyword. It's a list. Fruit list equal list. Fruit tuple equal to tuple. Opening tuple. Write tuple bracket. Closing tuple and the object name. This is the fruit list. Is the array name. Just pass the array name here. Fruit list, and you can see the output. Okay, clear? Yes or no? You can convert list to tuples. कशामुळे करायचं? Why should I do list to tuple? काय करायचं? Anyone can tell me. मला काय करायचं आहे? The moment I want that I should not change. Anyone should not change my content in the list. Make it tuple. Are you getting me or not? When you use list to tuple, what happened? You got the power of tuple. Tuple do not allow the modification of the element. That's why this is the power of tuple. You can again convert tuple to list also. I just take 1 more minute. I just show you the Python tuple methods. Python tuple method. Before we stop the session, it's very important concept. We should know Python tuple methods. Count, index. Okay. Returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. And index searches the tuple of for a specified value. Returns position where. Okay. For a specified value म्हणजे काय? Let us write. Should I write the program? Program लिहायचा दाखवायचं का? Program पाहतो आहे. इथे डायरेक्ट प्रोग्राम असेल इथं. No need to type the program. I just show it directly the program here. Index. Okay. Just I have to pass the value of the element, tuple element. See the value. See the example. This is the tuple for integer. This is the tuple index 8. Output काय येईल सांगा मला? कितवा एलिमेंट आहे? ओके ओके ओके. Three. Index of, suppose I write 3. What happened? 1. I can provide here string also, or I can use for loop also. Are you getting me or not? Now same program can be written in multiple ways. I can create list of name, registration number, physics, chemistry, mathematics, mark, total average, using tuple, using list, using dictionary. I can use the for loop. Same program, marksheet. Clear your fundamentals. Are you getting me or not? आता प्रोग्रामिंग खूप वाढत आहे, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी वाढत आहे, पण बेसिक जर क्लिअर असेल इट्स व्हेरी इझी टू राईट द कोड. ठीक आहे.